Hello, this is Cosmoguy from Cosmocraft Gaming, and I'm going to show you how to create a ultra hardcore countdown mechanism. First thing you want to do is create a brand new world. We call it UHC in this case. Put it to creative because like you will need the commands. And this is an absolute perfect place to place it in the plains. What you want to do now is come out of Minecraft. What you want to do next is after you've downloaded this UHC timer, in the link below, I've left a link in the description. You simply, I'm going to do it this way so you can see. This is how you locate your Minecraft folder, app data, then another percentage, and hit enter. Then it's here, it's right at the top, .minecraft. You want to click on that. You want to click on saves. And then look for your world, renamed it UHC. Here it is. And simply open up the data file. And click on this thing right here, this UHC timer. Now, because if you drag it straight from a zip file, you can just drag it across. Simply drag the scoreboard file into there. Go back, and now you want the structures file to go in there. Right, what you want to do now, you want to load Minecraft back up. Right, so here we are, we're now back into Minecraft. Simply open your world. This is version 1.10.2, so it is latest. Now what you want to do now, this is why you want cheats enabled, is simply give @p. Then start typing structure. You can hit tab and press tab twice and give @p structure block. Hit enter and we have our structure block. Simply place this down, right click, then this D, click that until it's L. And now we want to do is type in UHC timer. Now it is case sensitive, so make sure, I think it was a normal T. Then when you click load, you see the outline of the machine. Now that looks a bit off the ground, so what we want to, oops, sorry about that. So what we want to do, this is the position, change this to 0, and then that way it's going to be on the ground. Look, see it move down. Now don't worry about block spinning away, it will simply cut. It will cut through the walls. Now this is still 2 above the ground, I see, but like the thing is though, you never know which way around it is. So the front is either here or the other end. Let's click load again, and here it is. This is the ultra hardcore countdown mechanism. If you hold tab, that at the top, that's minutes remaining, and in this command block you choose, that's 6, that's minutes. So if you want to play for 2 hours, simply, but you got to do is you can set that ready. Now once everybody has joined, and you need to make sure everyone has joined, simply press this button and it sets your time to 120 minutes. Also, if you type the time wrong, you can simply retype it, or if you hit this is a master reset, because there is another objective you can't see, which is keeping track of the seconds. Now, what do you want to do when the countdown runs out? Well, I've got it set to TP everyone to the coordinates of the deathmatch arena, so you will have to change this to wherever your deathmatch arena is. And there's another command block here you need to change, because this is when ow. Well, it works. Right, we go back a bit. So basically, if you play this on the server, you can easily disable command blocks while you do this bit, but you can make it. Now it puts you in adventure mode, game mode. See, now you notice this game rule, and then this very first one, command block output false, because it'll stop spamming the chat. Then there we go, and now we can simply chat to your friends without it in spanner. Now what you need to do, you need to get the coordinates of the center. Well, it doesn't have to be the center, but I simply prefer it. Right, we're in here. So take down the coordinates, and this is they're the coordinates you need. So 183, 77, 84. Right, now we have those. Simply come out of this box. Make sure you replace everything. Yeah, if we go away and go back towards it, it'll activate. There you go. Because we went out the radius, that's all. Right, we go to Game Mode C. And in here, we want to place those coordinates. So it's... Now, I always put 0.5 because it seems to be more accurate. I don't know why, but it's just something that I found. Put those coordinates in. Done. Now, this is the randomizer. Because when everyone joins the game, they're being in creative mode. I recommend this in case it puts somebody inside a block. Because this does not give you a regen at the start. So, well, we're not going to set it for 120. Now, you get a warning at half an hour, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute before everyone gets teleported. So, we do this at 2 minutes. I think that's... And then, let's press this button. Now it's gone to 2. Hit this, start the timer. And because when you hit this, it sets everyone spawning there when you die, basically. Because no one sleeps on the ultra hardcore, do they? Game mode S, and as you can see, so let's hurt ourselves. You'll see our health will not regenerate. This is UHC. When you hit that randomize, it also gives you a saturation for 5 seconds. And it resets the day as well, so you get the full day. Is there a blacksmith? Now, as you can see, that's still 2. You hold it up, it will go to 1. Once a minute is up. But I've tested this system, and it's so reliable. This system will not let you down, I tell you now. And no plugins. No, none of that fancy rubbish. No mods. There you go. It's gone to 1 minute to deathmatch. You'll get that message at half an hour, 20 minutes. No, sorry, half an hour, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. That's right. This villagers. Can I find the blacksmith without being teleported? Oh yeah. I mean survival. I try to set myself up, a bit of a lighting glitch there. I know you do get that lighting glitch all of a sudden. And there isn't a blacksmith. So we should be going down to 0 quite soon. And when it does, we'll be automatically teleported and automatically put into creative mode. This is in case the countdown runs out at night, because last thing you want is it's a TP you right next to a creeper. And in the case it's up to host, you see, here we go, we've been teleported. And where are we? Have I made a mistake with the coordinates? So why is that? I've messed up somewhere. Oh, I know why. I know what it is. Yep. It'd be as testing on the super flat world, and there's a teleport. The coordinates here will teleport to you. It's 100, 100, basically. Right, I'm in SP mode. So yeah, your score will not go to -1 purely because it there's an automatic reset. There's an automatic manual reset. So that's flashing all it wants. I mean, if you want to be sure the seconds 1-0, which it will be, just say that. Yeah, see, that's why we got TP to. So, yeah, that's all there is to it, really. Just get this machine into your world, and you can play ultra hardcore. So, what I would recommend is, if you're in a flat area and you want this to be on a plains or somewhere, find some plains, and then simply type in, because this has to be in a road spawn. Because otherwise, the chunks will get unloaded and then the machine will simply break. So always set the road spawn right next to the machine. So it's pretty much near enough. So that will. So if this is in the spawn chunks, it will work. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and Have fun. Bye.